Hey friends, if you encounter Windows activation error with the error code 0x803FABC3, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to run the activation troubleshooter. Now you'll find it on the same page. It will be mentioning troubleshoot just below the activation page. If you don't have this problem, then you won't encounter this troubleshooter. But if you are facing this problem, you will encounter this troubleshooter. Simply click on it and try to run it. In many cases, this troubleshooter has fixed the problem. It's a working troubleshooter. But if not, then the only option you'll have is to contact Microsoft regarding activation. It may be that your key is fake or something, so you'll have to consider those factors too. Usually those cheap keys purchased online are fake, but the only option in this case you will be to contact contact Microsoft or the retailer. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.